Hi, my name is Samanja and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to solve Leetcode problem number 7, reverse integer. And with this problem, I will show you how to solve this problem. Now the problem is not that difficult in JavaScript, okay? The problem is kind of easy because as you know, I could just convert this x into a string and there's a dot reverse method, right? The problem is the constraint. Okay, they're gonna test you with out of constraint values, and your test need to pass those out of constraint values. Okay, so let's get started. I have found a really good solution to this problem. Okay, I'm gonna use what I'm gonna do is that I'm just gonna return something called a parse int, okay, x. I'm gonna convert this to a string first, okay, and then I'm going to split it to turn it into characters. Okay, split, and then I'm going to join them back again. Oh, I'm going to reverse them first. Okay, split, reverse, and then I'm going to join it. Okay, and then what I'm going to do is that I will be multiplying this by something called a dot math. Multiply this by math dot sign x. Okay, so what math dot sign does is that it returns back math dot sign. What it does, it is a static method that returns 1 or -1, indicating the sign of the number. It's going to return whatever the sign of the number is. Okay, so let's run this test, see if it works. Okay, so what math.sign did is it returned back, if it's a negative number is fed, it will return back the negative in front. Okay, so I converted it back to an integer in here. Okay, so this is what I did. At first I converted it to a string, then I converted it to a character. Okay, I split it, then I reversed all the characters, I joined them back together, and then I converted the whole thing to integer, and then I multiplied it by something called a math.sign. And in here the sign of x was negative, and so it multiplied this sign with this. Okay, so I hope you understood the result. But the problem is, if I submit this, okay, if I submit this solution, it's wrong because this is an out of constraint value. Okay, it has to be within. If the constraint is out of range, I have to return a 0. They're expecting a 0 in here, and the constraint has to be within this range, otherwise it has to return a 0. So what is the out of constraint? Okay, so 2 to the power, okay, 2 to the power, here 2 to the power negative 2 to the power, it has to be greater than negative 2 to the power 31, and it has to be less than 2 to the power 31. 2 to the power 31 is this number. Okay, it is 21474363648. Okay, so I have figured out a perfect solution for this problem. What I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna provide an if else statement. So what I'm gonna do is that instead of returning it like this, okay, let me create a variable y, and this y would be this. Okay, the whole thing. This y would be this whole thing. Okay, Oh wait, we can't copy things in Leetcode. Maybe we can. Let me see. I've never copied anything. Okay, we can. Control C and Control V. Okay. So let y equals to this, and now let me form an if statement. If y is greater than the number, okay, 2 to the power 31, 2147 48 36 48. Okay, so it is 2147 48 36 48. Okay, or if this number, if it's greater than 2 to the power 31, or let me put an or statement in there. Okay, or if y is less than negative 2147 48 3648 3648. Okay, then it needs to return 0. Okay, else it can return, it can go ahead and return. I should just put y in here. We'll just return y. Okay, here. Okay, so let me run this. Okay, it passed, and let me submit this. Okay, it got accepted. So it beats 88 point what runtime is 75 millisecond. Okay, it's not bad. It got accepted, and I'm not too crazy about run times, and but I hope you understood the simple solution that I have given. And I am solving, I never did Leetcode. I had HackerRank all my life. Now I'm planning to solve all Leetcode problems. Hopefully I will be able to solve all of these problems. Okay, so please subscribe, and I will be solving it and making videos of it. Thank you. Take care.